We know that an electric circuit comprises of different components like cell or battery, electrical components, connecting wires, etc. The way to represent a circuit is through a schematic diagram in which different components are represented with symbols. So let us look at a circuit and study the symbols used to represent different components. We have connected an electrical circuit with different components as shown. Let's look at a cell or battery. A cell supplies the power to the circuit. When multiple cells are connected together, then it is represented as a battery, and its symbol is as shown. Plug key. When the plug key is in the closed state, it is represented by this symbol, and when it is opened, then the symbol to represent it is as shown. Whenever two wires crosses each other and forms a junction, then it is represented by this symbol. Similarly, when two wires cross each other without electrically connecting to each other, then its symbol is as shown. Electric bulb. A simple electric bulb is shown with this symbol. A resistor with some fixed resistance is represented with the symbol as shown here. A rheostat placed in the circuit, and it is represented by the symbol as shown here. An ammeter is represented with the symbol specified with the letter A. It is always connected in a series to the circuit to measure the current flowing through that path. A voltmeter is represented with the symbol specified with the letter V. It is always connected in parallel to measure the voltage across two connection points. These are some of the commonly used electrical components and their respective symbols.